What you eating? Fries? Is it good? Uh-oh. You got too much. Ew. Do you like the ranch dressing? Tate, where's Mommy?
Suspicious.
Is she sick?
Sick.
Poor Mommy. Oh. He was saying "oh" on the way over here, Susan. I think he's preoccupied with his food. That's a cold for you. But he likes ranch dressing. Do you like that ranch? Tate, do you like that ranch? Mm-hmm. Say happy birthday, Grammy.
Hi, Grammy.
Oh. Oh, yeah, I think you really like it. Say, I love you, Mommy.
Mommy.
Love you.
Mommy.
Say, I miss you. Blow her a kiss. Oh, that was a good one. Give her a hug. Oh, that was sweet.